All right, we got this really nice Litbird sofa. First off, straight up, dude, this is an amazing value. One, super comfortable. Has this really nice teddy velvet material, almost like a furry type vibe, which makes the material very durable. And it's also just very comfortable. The armrest right here, it's a nice solid armrest, but there's cushioning on top right here. You've got these cushions in the back, which are very nice and soft, a nice soft vibe. You have this vibe back here that just, it Velcros shut in the back right here, as you can see. And that's another thing I want to just add is super easy to put together. A lot of couches, a lot of furniture is extremely hard to put together, a lot of different pieces. This, I mean, I probably put this thing together in less than 15 minutes. It was super easy, very easy, and just an all around really nice couch. Especially, I really like the color as well. Great value. Highly recommend.